Hello everybody, this is Mike. I'm going to show you in this video how I like to set up SDRuno from its default state, which is just showing the main module. Click on the SP1 button and arrange that window however you like it. I usually like to have it taking up about 3/4 of the screen. Click the SP2 button, and I usually like to have that on the lower left hand of the screen. As such, click the RX control button and place that wherever you like it. The last button I usually like to press and have up on the screen is the EXW module for external controls. And we'll arrange it as such. Now we're going to name the workspace and save it. Right click where it says default workspace and name it. Hit enter. Now we named it, but we didn't save it. Hold the control key down on your keyboard, left click the workspace area, which is here, and click SDRplay. Before we begin listening to the bands, I usually like to keep separation between the LO and the tune frequency. So I'll just click a little bit off center. So we have some separation between the two. Now we can click play. Inside the main SP window, on the upper left hand side is the settings. Click on that, and the waterfall palette I like is Spectrum Extended with an FFT average of about 2. I like to fill the waterfall and show the on-screen display of the frequency. In the aux SP, click on Set or Settings. Select whatever palette you like, but I like Spectrum Extended, and SP Fill, Cursor On-Screen Display, and on-screen display of absolute frequency. Save your workspace again. Hold down the control key, click the label that you typed in, and click it again. Release the control key and everything is saved. Now we'll go into the RX control settings. Right click the arrow, and under original we have the OmniRig control. Under cat we have the serial control. There's basically nothing here that I need to change from its default state. In the main module, click on settings, and let's take a look. The only option I change here is to show the time in UTC. Let's click play and see what's going on the bands.
She struggled. She managed to do it. She found what she was passionate about.
Okay. In the aux SP, there is an option to show pre and post of the filtering. I usually like to have it show everything before and after the filtering skirts. So I hit the F button and hit play.
Because when you're passionate about it, you want it. And then when you want it...
If you like to see it post, unselect the F button and hit play.
Creativity in a child or a young person, and also finding that true passion of you.
Okay, let's save our workspace. Control, left click again, and release. Now I want to add a little bit more detail into the waterfall display.
Foundation education, and
the lower right arrow is to zoom in.
Education in the UK and the US.
Clicking the VFO button will center it while you're zoomed in.
What the Chinese education system is.
So we click on settings, bring the window down, and I'll raise the gain just a little bit and increase the contrast. That looks good. We'll do the same for the aux SP window. That looks good also. Save the workspace. Alright, let's check out the bands. Let's see what's going on.
Don't talk about creativity in the future. You're not able to achieve creativity.
As I'm tuning, I can set the step size. I usually like to keep it at 250 Hertz for all the modes. AM, FM, CW, dual sideband, lower sideband, upper sideband, and synchronous AM. So as I'm tuning, it's going to snap to that rate of 250 Hertz. You can right-click the frequency and select your tuning step. Whatever you like, you can set it to from these options.